Yep, it's that time again. Relax. So I decided that I was going to take the kids to the pool before lunchtime and all that. So we just got our bathing suits on, and I'm actually gonna make some lunch for us to take there to the pool. And the kids are over here playing with playing with the floaty. What are you guys doing? Are you guys ready for the pool?
Yeah. Go, Lena, go!
No, not yet. I'm gonna make some lunch for us for later, okay?
Oh.
Be careful, you guys don't break it.
We can break it.
I mean, you can break it, but... No screaming. What did you say? So yeah, that's how that goes. I just have the... Alright. This is the cooler that I always bring with us whenever we go to the pool. So I'm just gonna pack us some lunch. And well, mainly the kids. I mean, I'll just probably pack some snacks for myself. Or maybe I'll pack a sandwich. I bought some ham yesterday, which I've been craving, which is probably not very good for you, but what are you gonna do sometimes? So yeah, I'm just gonna make us some sandwiches, pack us some snacks, and then head off to the pool. Round 2 of this journey. I asked my son if he wanted to walk or take the car, and he said walk, so we're walking. So it better be open. My daughter's back there. That's nothing. Go ahead. And they have me carrying all this extra stuff. The floaty, the life vest. No, mommy has it. Go ahead, mama. So we shall see. It's been open this whole time, so I don't see any reason why it should be closed. Come on, let's go. It's okay. My son saw a lizard. There's lizards everywhere.
The lizard's coming.
What happened, guys?
A whale.
Go.
Let's run. I think you're welcome.
Go ahead, mama. It's not a duck, it's a bird. Come on, mama.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Yes, it's a duck.
Come on, let's go. Come on, mommy. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bird. All right, so we made it. No sign on the pool, which is great. My son is like the scary one. Like, he won't go in the water all the way unless he's being carried. But Elena now, gotta be careful with this one. Stay over here on the sign. Over here on this side. Yes. You want to get out? Okay, we going bye-bye. Come on.
No.
Let's go. Bye-bye.
No, wait. Let's stay in the pool. I want to do it this way. No.
She's so good with her life vest. She knows how to like kick and go with it. No.
Mommy, I think I can.
Huh?
Just put a man there. No, we're teeny friends. We gotta tell
Mama, what are you doing?
the fishy. You see the fishy?
I see the fishy. Is that Dory?
Yeah, she's swimming.
Oh, okay.
Oh, she wants some in the water. Mommy, get me!
Why? Where you going?
Please!
Get this one over here.
Yeah, I'm moving!
My little dolphin.
Mommy!
Come here.
You got her! Mommy! You, my own steps.
Uh-oh.
Mommy!
Kick your feet.
No! I can't. I have no steps. You don't want to go steps. I want to keep my feet on my own steps. I can't go! I fell again! Mommy! Mommy, can I take this off?
No, Elena. Huh. So we're just here eating lunch now. We've been here for about an hour already. Say hi.
Hi.
Did you have fun in the water?
No, that's a pool.
Did you have fun in the pool?
Yeah. Papa.
Agua.
Papa.
Agua.
Papa.
Pool. She calls everything baba. Since it's anything with liquid is baba. So I've been trying to tell her. Like water is water. But she can't say water, so agua.
No, that's pool.
Mm-hmm. But you can say it, so.
Yeah.
Sit, mommy, no. Sit down.
She's
She's trying to get back to the pool. Of course. Say hi, puppy.
Hi.
What are you doing? You eating food?
Yeah.
Did you have fun in the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's Dory?
Huh?
Where's Dory?
I got her.
Huh?
I got her.
You got her?
Yeah.
Is she in the pool or you have her in your hand? In your lap?
I'll pull.
She's in the pool?
Yeah.
Oh, you left her.
I'm gonna get her.
No, no, it's okay. I'll get her.
I got her.
Okay. So we're probably gonna head back after this. Just got my water and my sandwich here and my belly. Hi, belly. But yeah, we're probably gonna head back to the house after we finish eating so that we can get showered up and the kids can take a nap and I can get the rest of my cleaning done. No, don't touch that. That's a dime.
No.
No? One on the other side? Whoop. Uh-oh. You want your oranges? Oh, I'm sorry. You want it on that side? You want oranges?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Please go on the other side.
You want oranges too, Mama? So these are the lizards that I'm talking about. That's all over the place. They're so gross. It's always a good day when you could leave the pool with no crying. That means they're tired, belly's full, and ready for a nap. Come on. So that's exactly what we're gonna go do. Shower and nap. I don't know, we have to look for it. She's super tired. All right. Yes. Love when they run. All right, so we're back in the house. Kids are showered, put down for their naps, and I'm just here. I just have to wash my face. And look how freaking, let me see. Can you guys tell? Look how tan we got just for an hour. It's probably the worst time to go because that's when the sun is at its highest, but yeah, definitely got darker. So crazy. And my freaking foot. Let me show you guys my tan line on my foot. And I'm always wearing flip-flops because I just don't have time for anything else. Unless I'm doing food shopping, then I'll put my sneakers on. But I usually have flip-flops on. Let me show you guys the tan line on my foot. Look at the tan line on my foot. Look how crazy that is. Like, that's just insane to me. I don't even know. So I rubbed aloe vera gel on the kids, especially on their face. So for just in case like we got sunburned, I'm okay to the touch, and it didn't seem like anything bothered them either, but just in case, you know. So I just rubbed them down with some aloe vera gel. That's why I'm gonna wash my face with my cleansers and everything, which I should have done in the shower. I don't know why I didn't, but I'm gonna do that and rub my face down with some aloe vera gel. I'm actually probably gonna use my exfoliating scrub too. Yeah, let me just take them out of the shower. It's just my, yeah, so I'm probably gonna use, well, this is the cleanser that I use in the morning all the time. Look, I'm like halfway done with it already. Still, I like this stuff, no complaints. But this is the scrub that I use, the St. Ives Even and Bright. Really liking this. I'm liking that it's not as rough as the apricot one. That one I love, but it is rough. And I haven't picked up a new one, but with the kids? No, I haven't picked up a new one, but I do really like this one. I use it Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. 3 times a week. I really like that one. And the smell is good too. And on the weekends, I use this oil scrub. The St. Ives Exfoliate and Nourish Coconut Oil Scrub. Just looks like this. This is another good one. It does leave your face nice and soft afterwards. Very soft. So that's why I like that one. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to, look, I didn't even make the bed today. I'm gonna put away the laundry. I have my laundry sitting right over there. I folded it before we left. So I'm gonna put that laundry away. I'm just gonna clean the kitchen and wait to go pick up my daughter from the bus because I have to do that at 2:30. So that's pretty much it for today. So yeah, I don't have to cook today, which is also a great thing. So we have leftover taco meat, so we're just gonna have that for dinner, and then tomorrow I'm gonna cook chicken cutlets, so that should be fun. Hopefully I'm in the mood because I just haven't been in the mood to cook, but whatevs. So I'm gonna do that. That's pretty much it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I forgot to like close out, I guess, the day for the vlog yesterday. I just got finished filming, actually. I just finished filming my my weekly pregnancy update. That's what I finished filming. I cannot even think straight right now. Go watch my next video and you'll know why. Oh crap. Just knocked over my water. Ugh. So I was trying to do like a natural makeup look, and this is definitely not natural at all. And since it went there, it's like I had to add these lashes because it just went with the look a little bit better. So yeah, so much for my natural look. Did I just knock over my water again? Probably. The kids are napping. Put this window down. So yeah, the kids are napping. Oldest is at school still. Gotta get her shortly. And I don't feel like cooking tonight, so I think I might order pizza. I don't know, because if the kids are not up by the time I have to go get my daughter. It's already 1:48. So if the kids are not up, once I wake them up, they're gonna be grouchy. And I'm not gonna wanna go to the store with them all grouchy. Let me go over here. So I have like personal stuff hanging on the wall. I'm just so tired. I'm so tired. I haven't gone to the gym in the last 3 days. Monday I had an appointment, Tuesday I was tired, and today I was tired. So I have not gone to the gym. And I'm super hungry. So I'm probably gonna go make some lunch and clean up my mess, edit this video, post it, and yeah, probably try and take some selfies because I am feeling this makeup look. And that's pretty much it. Oh. I should just nap. That's what I should do. Just take a nap because I'm so tired. Yeah, I had a headband on during my film. That's why you see that line there. All right, guys. I will talk to you later, I guess. Hey, guys.
Yummy, yummy donut.
So, I'm back. And we are off. I feel like I'm always in the car when I come back to you guys.
Yummy, yummy donut.
Avery, you have to quiet down, okay? Because I'm driving.
Yummy, yummy donut.
So Ariana is at school, and
She's in the bus.
Yep, she took the bus. That is correct.
And she wants to run to school.
So we are on our way to Walmart. I'm going to like a different Walmart that's still by my house, but a little bit further away because I'm looking for, you know, the belly band. And the one by my house only had the nude ones, and I'd rather get the black one. It just works better for me. And I have one, but it's still with our stuff, and I'd rather just get a new one, like, because it's the one from Walmart is pretty cheap. It's not like super expensive. So yeah. So so I just want to get like another one, just to have another one, so I can wear it now and not have to worry about finding it even when our stuff comes and I have to unpack. So I'm gonna do that. I had to go to Dollar Tree as well, but yep, the balloon's there. But I'm actually picking up my boyfriend today, so I don't think I'm gonna have time, because I have to go to get to the station by 12:30, I believe it was. So I'm not gonna have time to go there like beforehand. I can probably just go after.
Where are we going?
To the store, to Walmart.
In the doctor?
No, not to the doctor, to Walmart. Mommy's appointment already passed. I feel like they need more lights around here. Hopefully I don't need my directions to my maps to figure out how to look. My freaking eyes twitching. Yeah, but hopefully I don't need my maps to figure out where we're going. I'm trying to do it all on my own, so wish me luck with that one. What else? Is there anything else? Don't mind my hair, it's freaking ridiculous. I don't know what to do with it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Last night I had Ariana's parent-teacher conference. It went well. Avery, please don't scream, ba. Don't scream, okay? I had her parent-teacher conference, or conference night, and she's doing well. She has to improve in science and parts of math. Back in New York, up until 5th grade, there's not a deep concentration on science. There's not like a science curriculum. I guess they learn a little bit, but it's like, you know, they read this packet on whatever they're discussing in science, and then that's the science. Whereas, you know, they're doing different things here. So she's a little bit behind on that, just because of the change in states. So she's a little bit behind in that, and then she has some math to work on. And luckily they have like these programs online that they do in school, and she can also do it at home. So she'll be starting that this weekend. So yeah. And then of course she's like super talkative, but that's nothing new. I think that was like the main comment on all of my progress reports and report cards when I was in elementary school and middle school, probably in high school too. But yeah, the difference is that I didn't insert myself in other people's business, whereas that's like her main thing. Like she has to be in everything, even if it doesn't concern her. Like she has to be in it. And it gets her in trouble. And I've been trying to tell her, and like, you can't really teach someone how to mind their business. You know, you can only just tell them, like, you know, don't go in other people's business, because then you get in trouble. And that's exactly what ends up happening. She always inserts herself into someone else's drama, and then she's the one who gets in trouble because it's the way she does things. Like, the teacher said that this past week that one of the girls in her class wrote a letter to a boy, and since Ariana is friends with the boy, she took the letter out of his hand and she read the letter out loud, or I'm not sure if it was out loud or not, but she took the letter and read it, and then she ended up getting in trouble because she took the letter out of his hand and read it, and it wasn't hers, you know? So it's like things like that her teacher kept saying that she keeps doing. So she needs to work on that. I've been dealing with that with her since forever, since she could talk. So, I mean, I don't know. But other than that, she's doing good, and she's adjusting to the new state well. So no complaints there. I couldn't have asked for her to be doing any better. The teacher was saying that some kids, you know, moving from state to state, they tend to have a bigger issue readjusting to the difference. And she said that Ariana pretty much adjusted right away. Like she did excellent in that department. So yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys in a few. It's like a little cloudy actually, but I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe I'll try and vlog while I'm in Walmart. We shall see. And that's about it. Alright, so we just got to Walmart. We just got to Dollar Tree. Walmart didn't have any belly bands. Yes.
We got apples.
Yes. I did find some watermelon that I got. Super excited. I already ate like half of it. And the kids got some apples and pretzels. So I'm just here at Dollar Tree. I may just go back to the Walmart that's by the house and get the nude belly band. Alright, so I just got back in the car from Dollar Tree. I don't know what, today is just not a good shopping day because everywhere I go, whatever I want, they don't have. Where normally, these places have it all the time. I don't know what the heck happened. So annoying. So now I'm done with that. And I'm just going to head out to the train station to pick up my boyfriend, and then we'll see where the day leads us. The kids don't know yet. I mean, even if I were to tell them, they wouldn't understand. So it's a surprise. It's a surprise. Surprise. It's a surprise. I got a surprise for you.
Then make it wait.
No, you wave.
Yay!
Alright, I don't know what happened to the